How to report a player in Roblox. This is a step-by-step guide, so you should be able to follow easily. This works for both mobile version applications or the web version of Roblox. Basically, all you have to do is to open up the website or the application, and once inside, just go ahead and click on the user that you want to report. So I have my friends right here. I'll just go ahead and use them as an example, but basically you can just go ahead and search up people if you want to. In my case, I'll go ahead and click on this profile right here. Now once inside a Roblox profile, you can just go ahead and scroll down, and in here you have the button called report abuse. You can just go ahead and click on this button, and from here we'll be able to choose our subject. If you want to report them with appropriate language, asking or graving private information, bullying or harassment or more, right here you can just go ahead and select the reason why you're reporting them. Right below that, we then have our comment, and lastly, just go ahead and click on report abuse and you should be good to go. If this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I'll make sure to see you again next time. And as always, thank you.